We added the Bali Market Turkish towels to our tiny home, and it's freed up storage space and made our laundry load so much lighter. Hi, I'm Crystal from Cactus Waves, and I live in my RV full-time in Florida with my husband and our two beautiful children. Having multi-purpose items is so crucial in an RV or any tiny home, and the Bali Market Turkish towels are super versatile. I thought they might not be absorbent because they're so thin, but they absolutely are. It was such an easy switch from our old towels to our new Turkish towels from the Bali Market. We use our towels at the beach, at home, at the pool, and we just love them. If you have a small bathroom like us, I highly recommend switching to the Bali Market Turkish towels, and they can be found at thebalimarket.com.